Attention all cryptocurrency enthusiasts, do you find yourself needing a seamless and efficient way to transfer your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin into traditional currencies or other cryptocurrencies? Well, look no further. In 2024, CoinChanger presents you with an innovative solution to all your crypto conversion needs. With our user-friendly platform, you can easily convert your precious digital assets into PayPal funds, Skrill balances, direct bank deposits, or exchange them for a variety of other cryptocurrencies. Imagine the convenience of instantly converting your Bitcoin holdings into your PayPal account, allowing you to shop online or transfer funds effortlessly. Need to withdraw your Ethereum to your Skrill account? CoinChanger has got you covered. Our trusted platform ensures that your transactions are secure and reliable, giving you peace of mind throughout the process. That's not all. CoinChanger understands your crypto diversification desires. That's why we enable swift conversions from Litecoin to a wide range of in-demand cryptocurrencies. Whether you want to explore the potential of new digital currencies or diversify your portfolio, CoinChanger empowers you with the tools to do so seamlessly. In 2024, CoinChanger is revolutionizing the way you convert cryptocurrencies. Our cutting-edge technology combined with top-notch security protocols ensures that your transactions are smooth, hassle-free, and secure. Say goodbye to lengthy and complicated conversion processes and say hello to the future of seamless crypto conversions. Join the cryptocurrency revolution and embrace the possibilities that CoinChanger offers. Transfer your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin with ease to PayPal, Skrill, your bank, or any other cryptocurrency of your choice. Don't let your digital assets remain idle. Unlock their potential with CoinChanger today.